bucket you're putting them in, Barry.
Oh. And now they're emptying the bait out of the bucket, out of the traps, all ready for another day.
This is a big one here.
85 years old, fit as a fiddle.
84!
84, and playing tennis, and my dad and him have been playing tennis for years, so nothing like fresh air to keep you alive.
A little Scotch whiskey.
Yeah, he says, yeah, a little Scotch whiskey. Never hurts the bones, you know?
I don't know where the bucket is.
Okay, Captain.